You gonna vlog this?
Yes, I'm recording.
I'm recording. This is me.
You can't make it awkward.
Taking Freddie to the bathroom.
Yeah, so we're taking Freddie to the bathroom, and then where we're going?
We're going to Walmart because we're making some southern home cooking.
Some southern home cooking, y'all.
You record Freddie peeing.
Y'all see Freddie taking a leak. Get it out, Freddie.
Get it out.
Dang, boy.
Maybe that's why he was being annoying.
When the last time you took him out to pee?
This morning.
Damn, Freddie. Alright, y'all probably don't want to see Freddie pee.
Oh, like 5 years later.
So we are finna head to Walmart. We are in Donardo's Jeep.
Donardo's Jeep.
Shout out to Donardo. We miss
you.
you. If you're watching this, I love you. You better be watching this because if you love me, you will support me and watch my videos. Bye, I love you.
So I have chicken breast, so I don't think we have to buy chicken.
Okay. You want to do fried chicken breasts?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that not a thing?
It's a thing.
You wanted chicken legs?
No, we don't got to do chicken legs.
What kind of chicken were you wanting to get?
I don't know. Limit is 2. 2 eggs. The coronavirus.
$4 for this little shit.
And yeah, I believe they uppriced shit since this coronavirus. This is pretty good compared to what it's been looking like. Pickles.
I love pickles.
I want some pickles, honey. Now, you know what I ain't had in a while? Some banana peppers, and you know I love me some banana peppers.
Probably like 2 jars.
Yes. That's when I used to like him. We're gonna bleep his name out the video, but we don't like him. No. I just want to say, if this vlog is all over the place and very choppy, I'm sorry. This is the first vlog I'm doing with my new camera. I'm still getting the hang of it. So,
Look at the horchata.
Horchata. Is that good? I know what horchata tastes like, but that kind, is it good?
I don't know. It's like you would mix it with everything else.
What do you mix it with?
With water or like milk, depending on it. This used to be my shit.
Iced oatmeal. No. Is them cookies?
Yes, I'm cookies.
I hate oatmeal cookies with a passion. You know what's that hurt? When you think you're getting a chocolate chip cookie and you bite into it and it's an oatmeal raisin cookie. That is the hurt, the worst hurt ever. I be getting so mad. All this whining, gotta go. Wash your hands to stop the spread of the coronavirus.
I've not seen that. There's one some of these, and maybe I'll be right. I kind of want to taste them.
I don't want no Eggos.
I just want to taste how they taste. I just want to see how they taste. Wash these dishes because we're about to dirty some more. Go put some on.
I can get into any episode though. Don't matter. 6:30 p.m. Got some elbow macaroni.
Which one those two?
Organic, cause we healthy.
We healthy.
We got some panko breadcrumbs. The panko breadcrumbs, the Japanese kind, because they was the cheapest one there. It don't matter, they still breadcrumbs. We don't care what ethnicity they are. Okay, we don't discriminate here. Not even with the breadcrumbs.
You don't.
We got some corn.
Big. You just did pencil.
Oh my god.
She almost died over there.
We got corn and green beans. She gonna make some cake, some pie, cake,
Cheesecake.
cheesecake. I don't know how to bake, okay? That's one thing I don't know how to do. I know how to cook, but I can't bake. I ain't learned that yet. Miss Chef Boyardee here.
Chef Boyardee. Cornbread.
But who's somebody that bake?
That one white girl who got put in jail with Snoop Dogg.
Who's her name?
Martha Stewart.
Martha Stewart. Miss Martha Stewart in the house over here. Whipping it up. Got some cheesecake coming. So y'all, the chicken is taking forever to thaw, and we ain't really got time for that. So we finna like unthaw in the microwave, which neither one of us has ever done. So oh, I got an Instagram notification. It's just telling me that somebody's on live. Why does Instagram do that? Why do they tell me when people are on live? Like, I don't care. I'm not gonna watch it unless it's Doja Cat, because I watch her live. So I ain't even gonna lie. I watch Doja Cat live, and I've been watching Lil Boosie lives because they're Lil Boosie is funny as hell. Let me pull up my recipe. How much is in here?
No, I drink their coffee. It's
16 ounces.
Why?
Because somebody is personating.
They use Dixie.
We are done cutting up all the chicken tenders, and now we're gonna start seasoning them. We got our noodles on the they're boiling, and she's still cooking up the cheesecake stuff, getting that ready. So it's going pretty good.
Is that not open?
You don't know what they're like. Popcorn Green does.
Is that one song by
This is what the mac and cheese is looking like so far, guys. I'm pretty proud of it. You know, you proud of it?
It tastes good.
Yeah, we tasted the cheese sauce we just made, and it was fire. So we about to bake it. You know, get it ready to go or whatever.
Breadcrumbs.
Yeah, hold on one second.
Lorry's.
So this is the panko breadcrumbs, and we putting the Larry's in here. We putting some cayenne up in here. Like we getting the panko season, because we don't want no bland panko. Okay, what's that?
This is the chicken flavor. It's
okay, we're putting some pollo.
pollo.
Yes, garlic powder is like one of my favorites.
Put a little bit of this.
Okay. And then we'll also put some Parmesan on the top too, so it'll be cheesy on the top.
Cool.
That smells so good. I love the smell of garlic. Okay.
Close it again.
Shake it up. That shit's gonna be fire. The seasoning.
The flavor.
The flavor that's going into these mac and cheese. Yes. Oh, I need to. While you doing that, I'm gonna just start prepping the chicken. I'm gonna get it seasoned up.
Was that with the light? Yeah. I want to freaking get
the seasoning. Carmen's over here tossing the chicken for me in the flour. It's her first time cooking fried chicken, y'all. She's learning. She's learning. The cheesecake and the cornbread is a little well done because we forgot.
Anything, check in my backpack.
This is why we should have waited till last to do these.
I know.
Are you disappointed? I'm disappointed too.
I'm just a detective. It's not my fault.
Yeah. Look at that face. I mean,
Listen to me. I'm sorry. I get it. I get it. You want me to let Lily go?
this is a little crunchy. I'll still eat it.
Bring him here.
It's decent enough to eat, y'all. The cheesecake, on the other hand, the one that's already Tori, this is our test piece.
Okay.
Taste it with a bunch of skin on it, because the skin has flavor too.
There's a little skin in here part. This is pretty good. I like my chicken like hot.
Okay.
This is pretty good.
It's good?
This is pretty good.
How's the flavor?
My only complaint is that you didn't put enough hot sauce.
Oh my goodness, you put hot sauce on your own chicken. You're not supposed to. If
true.
somebody tries your chicken, you know, some people.
Want to finish your food?
Yeah. Go ahead. It's good though, right?
This is hella good.
We did that shit.
This is hella good.
Period.
Period.
Period. This is the chicken, y'all. It looks delicious. I don't care what you say. It's delicious. Y'all saw Palomar said it was delicious. Carmen, how did the chicken taste?
Fucking phenomenal.
Period.
Impeccable.
Period. got some corn in there, but
When did I get the corn? How did I get corn? I didn't even use the same. Oh, right now when I put it on.
yeah. Yeah.
Pour.
Alright, let's put the chickens on here.
The chicken is like so good, y'all. I ain't even lying. We got a full meal today, guys.
Thank God. Thank the Lord.
Yes.
Alright, cool. This looks bomb.
Let's just go ahead and do a full view of the meal tonight.
Oh my God.
Delicious. Period. I got some hot sauce because I like my chicken with hot sauce.
Right.
Oh my goodness, this is delicious, y'all. Y'all need to try this.
We're gonna go.
Everything's finished if y'all want to try.
Oh, get some.
I want some cornbread.
Everything is done. The
cornbread is a little burnt.
the cornbread is a little well done.
It's like a rock.
But it's why you have to do a cornbread like
I know.
We're good.
We did a good job.
8 out of 10.
We forgot about it, honestly.
She forgot about it.
Taste
Don't put no weed in that. You forgot about the cornbread.
Taste is a set.
Try the green beans.
The what?
The green beans.
Try the green string.
Great.
Try the green beans. They're good. Carmen did that. You did that on the green beans.
What's this? A pumpkin pie?
Cheesecake.
The corn.
Yeah.
The corn is good too.
Mm. I love corn.
Why did you guys want to cook like this style meal?
We're both from the South, and we're like, oh, I'll make dinner. And that's it. I was like, I don't know.
When she asked me, she said, "Do you want to cook dinner?" I was like, "Sure." I was like, "The only thing I really cook is like Southern food." She's like, "We make Southern food." I was like, "Okay, we can record it for a video."
How long have you been doing YouTube?
Since like December. Not that long.
But she hit her 1,000 views. Okay. That's something. Okay.
You say it like, hit their 1,000 views.
I'm just like excited.
Okay, if you made it to the end of this video, you the real MVP. Thank you so much for watching. I know this is a vlog and it's something new for me, but I just wanted to try it and see how it went. But as always, I want to hear y'all's feedback, so don't forget to like this video, comment some suggestions, tell me what you want to see, and don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.